Everyone complains bitter gourd is bitter, but for smart farmers, it's one of the sweetest profit makers. Want a quick, no nonsense guide from seed to save? Let's go. Hey, Discover Agriculture family. Bitter gourd is a climber that loves warmth and sun. Then 24 to 30 degrees Celsius, full light, and good airflow. It hates frost, slows below 18 degrees Celsius nights, and while humidity helps, waterlogging kills. So we build our beds higher and keep drainage sharp. Soil, keep it well drained, sandy loam, mildly acidic to neutral. Before sowing, loosen to about 30 centimeter and mix in rich compost or well-rotted manure. This crop thrives on organic matter. Soak seeds overnight in warm water, tuck them 3 centimeter deep and give space to breathe. Set up a simple trellis or a bamboo net. The higher it climbs, the straighter and cleaner your fruits. Water just enough of days to keep the soil moist, not soggy. When flowers show, ease off slightly to avoid fruit rot. Feed with compost or a light balanced dose. During flowering, a bit more potassium and phosphorus means firmer and heavier guts. If a fits or fruit flies visit, a knee spray usually sorts it. Remove any mild wet leaves early and keep air moving through the canopy. In 60 to 70 days, harvest begins. Pick when fruits are green and tender. Don't wait for yellow. And here's the trick: harvest every 2 to 3 days. The more you pick, the more the vine gives. Short, simple, profitable. That's better cut done, right? Will you try a row this season? Tell me below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture. Happy farming!